Hi everyone, welcome back to the controversial. I know I've been away for quite some time, but I'm back now. I've been busy. First of all, I just want to congratulate the member of the Action SA, the mayoral candidate of Johannesburg, Xolani Khumalo, for deleting the powder kingpin from Nigeria. Well, it was recently reported that his team have deleted the powder kingpin from Nigeria. You know, those people who are busy terrorizing our communities with powder. Our kids are no longer safe. And it is such a mess, but I'm glad that Nigeria was shot and killed. I know a lot of people are complaining, especially from the economic freedom fighters. They're busy complaining about Xolani Khumalo. Well, I just want to applaud him for what he did, applauding him and his team. Obviously, he wasn't alone while they were busy cleaning up the Johannesburg, because that guy was shot and killed in the east of Johannesburg. You know, the Action SA has also released a statement, and they have stated that that man was involved in drug trafficking, and for too long, drug syndicates have terrorized our communities through violence, intimidation, and total disregard for the law. This is what they said on their statement, and I couldn't agree with them more. We are being played in our country. Criminals are taking over. It's high time we make these drug lords uncomfortable in this country. They need to think again if they want to sell their stuff here. I mean, they should be scared, because they will eventually die because they don't follow the law. They kill our people. They're terrorizing our communities. This is a war against South Africa. And what I'm not understanding is that why the economic freedom fighters is busy fighting for illegal activities. This man is a drug dealer. Not only that, I'm just going to say allegedly, this man is a drug dealer. He was involved in drugs, and here you are defending these people. People should wake up, especially those who are voting for economic freedom fighters. The EFF is not for you, okay? Don't be played by these people. The EFF is not for South Africans, and it's clear now. I'm glad Xolani Khumalo is busy exposing this party.